Hello teachers, I am here to demonstrate the procedure of scheduling and conducting online classes through MCB Smart School app. The link to download this application is posted to you by your headmaster or headmistress. You can download the application by clicking the link or you can download directly it from the Google Play Store. So I wish to make one thing very clear that MCB Smart School is the application which is used by teachers for conducting classes, and MCB Parents Portal is the application which is used by parents or students to attend online classes. Both are different applications. The application which you can see on the left side of my screen is MCB Smart School app, and the application which is on the right side of the screen is MCB Parent Portal. And you will get a message in SMS format from the school containing a link of MCB Smart School app and your personalized username and password. So after getting your username and password, we can open this application. So when you open the application, you can see this screen. So the first box is URL. So to the right corner of URL, there is a magnifying glass. You can press the magnifying glass. So it will ask you to enter the name of the school. So press there and type MONT, and you can see Montessori English Medium School and Montessori High School. So you have to select Montessori High School. Now you have entered your URL. Sometimes on your screen you may get a big drop down list containing Corp 1, Corp 2, Corp 3. In that case, if you get a screen like that, you can tap somewhere on the screen and that drop down list will automatically revert back. It will not come again. So after entering that, you have to enter your username. Your personalized username is sent to you as SMS. You can type that. So your username and password is always same. So after entering your username and password, you have to log in. Now for demonstrating, I have logged into the account of a teacher. So now how to schedule online classes? You have to come down. You have to select online classes. In that you have to select online classes Zoom. Okay, it is showing online classes not yet created. Please click on plus button to create new online class. So I have to create a class. So to the bottom right corner there's a plus button. I have to press the plus button. So the teacher can see his or her classes. So it is assigned earlier. So this particular teacher is dealing 8th class mathematics, 8th class physics, 8A1, 8A1 mathematics, 8A1 physics, again 8A2 mathematics, 8A2 physics, 9th A1 mathematics, 9th A1 physics, then 10th class mathematics, 10A1 physics. So let us schedule a class for 10th class physics, or let it be 8A1 and 8A2, two sections together, 8A1 mathematics and 8A2 mathematics. Okay, so to schedule classes for 8A1 and 8A2, you have to click the box. So it will be selected topic. You have to enter something. Exercise 3.1. For an example, okay, you have to type that in the topic box. Again, you have to type something in the agenda box. You cannot leave these boxes empty. If you leave this box empty, you won't be able to create classes. Next date, let it be 16th of November. Time, let it be 10 a.m. Duration 40 minutes. So to select all these things. After completing, on top right corner there's a tick mark. You have to tick that or press that. So it is created successfully. So now the online class for this particular teacher is created successfully. The class will start in 16 hours 3 minutes. So after the countdown, it will show a start button there. After 16 hours 3 minutes or at 10 a.m., it will show a start button there. When the teacher presses the start button, the teacher will be able to start the online class for the students. Need not have to share the link to anyone. Automatically, when you create a class in MCB Smart School app, it will automatically reflect in parents portal or students portal, and they'll get it in their portal, and they'll be able to attend classes by clicking a join button which is in their application. So this is a procedure of scheduling online classes through MCB Smart School app. Hope you have understood it. Thank you.